Students who are in the online. Am I audible, students? Amen. Okay. So let us move to the further. In the last session, last Saturday class, all of a sudden class is cancelled due to some. You stand up. You come here. You sit here. So last Saturday, all of a sudden class is cancelled because I came morning 7:30 and on some important medical urgency, I went out and I'm regretting for your inconvenience. I hope you came to the class, right? So did you felt anything bad on me? Did you felt anything bad? Is it happened anything earlier to you? No. I think first time. So that too. So I just uh, went out because there's a problem to my wife. So all of a sudden fever is 2 days onwards. And yesterday that is Saturday. It was very heavy. So that's why I went out, students. Don't feel for that. And now I will move to the further. So last session already sent to you related to, I hope, to the types of plots. So basic components of graph I said, applications of that I said, applications of Matplotlib already started with, almost said many of them. Then also started with basic components, introduction part also I said, basic components of the plots also I said, and what are the words I said, and then how to import it, how to install I said, and the types of plots also I said. These are the types of plots. So now first I am going to start with what? Line plot. So the line plot these are actually very easy, students. Understanding this is very easy. As on today, we are having directly Power BI. Once we give the data set, automatically we are going to get the graph. But having the knowledge on this Matplotlib is important. Now, so even if we go to an interview point of view, these questions on this will be very rare. Very rare they are going to come. Because visualization, if they ask you the questions, nobody can remember that visualization components. They can show the diagrammatically, and they cannot go for this diagram explanation for this kind of thing. Even now, I'm going to enter into the first one is called line plot. Line plot, I'm going to explain it. So let us talk about what will be the line plot here. So line plot is one of the graph or one of the chart which shows the data points between two observations, which will shows the data points between two observations. I'll show you some example. I'll show you some examples for you. Directly I'll go to the problem and then see and how to write it. How do you implement this line plot? There is a syntax called import. Come on, start. Already you know from last class I already said the steps for you. What is the module name? Matplotlib. In that module, in that package, there is a module called pyplot. From come on, Matplotlib import pyplot. Import pyplot as PLT. This is common for all the plots. To draw the line plot, we are having PLT dot plot. PLT dot plot is the function name, which will take so many number of arguments. All the arguments I will explain. First, I will go for two arguments compulsory. What are those? X comma Y. What is that X? X is Y. Oh, that is our knowledge. So that is something like observations on X-axis. Observations on X-axis. What is Y? Observations on Y-axis. What you are saying X-axis, Y-axis. Same. child answer. X-axis, comma, Y-axis. So what is this now? X represents observations on X-axis. What is this Y? Right. So plot of is a function used to draw what? Line plot. Line plot. According to my personal opinion, any data points you give it, except pie chart, you leave it. The rest of the diagrams, bar chart, you take it. Line plot, you take it. They are all used for similar kind of approach. Whichever you are convenient, you can use it. So I'm using plt.plot x-axis and y-axis values, x-axis values you can say. Here, x comma y values can be what I'm going to write. Number one, ND array object values. ND array object values, number one. Number two, you can also take it as what more? Series object values. Series object values also you can take it. You can also take it as what? Data frame. Data frame values also you can take it. Data frame object values also you can take it. Data frame object values also you can take it. Throughout our entire plots, x comma y represents ND array object values or series object values or data frame object values. Fixed these are all called. Already this you know, this part is done in what do you call NumPy. This part is done in where? So pandas concept we discussed it. So I'll directly go to an example student. So because this explanation in this concept is different, pandas explanation different. Topic to topic, my presentation will differ because it is a visualization. Na? Visualization means first I need to see what? Graph. Problem versus its graph. So if I explain the graph in my English, you cannot catch it. Because what is the graph is there in my brain, you cannot see. So suppose you a new movie is releasing. If I tell the story, will you feel it is a movie? No, it is like a textbook only. It is like a explaining textbook. If you really watch the movie, no need to explain about the movie before the movie seeing. So if you see the movie directly, you can understand what is the message in that. That's why Matplotlib will show the examples beginning only. When a problem I will show. First I will show the problem. So here I am having a beautiful diagrammatic representation. So I'm having. So I'm having here line plot. Observe the examples first. Problems I will show you. Problems I'll show you students. There is some problems here. And before that, one more problem I will show. Before that, go to back to it. There is a notes. Under that, line plot questions or matplot first. This one I will show you. So try to observe directly. Introduction to what? Line plot. What is line graph? A line plot, come on, visualizes information as a series of data points called markers. Markers means x-axis markers, y-axis markers connected by straight line segments is called what? Line plot. These are also used to express trends in data over intervals of time. Next, line plots display numerical variables on one axis and a categorical variable on the other axis. Let us take an example how to work with the line plots. We are going to enter. So, suppose you have been given maximum recorded temperature around your city for the last 3 weeks. What is our concept here? Temperature. Temperature around your city. Come on, what is this now? Days. What are the days? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What is this? Week 1, week 2, week 3. This is called a given problem. First week, second week, third week. They recorded in Hyderabad city, for example. So I will draw the diagram for what? I will draw the diagram for what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are called what? X-axis values I will take. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. I will take. And these are called what? Temperature values. This is called week 1 temperature or not? I'll be getting one graph. By seeing the graph, you can understand on which day week 1 having more temperature. Are you getting it? Similarly, I will go for what? Week 2 versus what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Week 3 versus what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Are you following? So how do you represent this data, ma'am? How do you represent this data? First, you think about the data frame series. First, you think about what? Data frame. What is the week 1, week 2, week 3? Very good. Columns. Columns. What is the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday up to Saturday, Sunday? Come on. Beautiful. What is the 27, 29, 29, etc.? Good. Very good. So I can go for what? Either I can go for CSV file or I can go for directly data frame. Shall I show you the solution? Easy. It is dead easy for you. What is the function you already learned? Plot. PLT dot plot. What are the values? X comma y. So I need to prepare for this problem. If they given in the written test point of view, you have to prepare what? Either a CSV file you can create or you can create a data frame directly. Go. So data is equal to hmm, days. What is the data? Dictionary. First of all, is it a dictionary or not? Come on, days is equal to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. What these are all called? Key. This is a key for list of values are coming or not. Next, week 1. What is the week 1? Key for that list of temperatures or not. What is the week 2? List of temperatures. Week 3, list of temperatures. This is called a key and associated values. It is called list for is a key. List is the values for key. Is it not called a list in dictionary or not? Already list in dictionary we understood. Huh? Yes, simple. You will feel very simple. Convert into which type? Data frame. PD dot data frame of data. What is the data frame of data? Converting dictionary data into where? DF. DF. Print of what? DF. Very good. Now I'm going to plot data. This is up to where? Pandas. Pandas. Take what data? Days. How do you take days? Come on. DF of what? Days. DF of what? Days. This is called which axis I want to take? X axis. What is the Y axis you want to take? Week 1. How do you take it? DF of what? Week 1. Week 1. Okay. Right. And what I will write it? PLT dot plot of. I will write PLT dot plot of. I will get one plot for that or not? Yes. Easy. Dead easy. Come on down to it. Here. Plotting. PLT plotting for week 1. PLT dot plot of DF of days. DF of week 1. So you'll get the plot of what? First week. Next, add few more elements to help us to interpret things. Next, is it called PLT dot days? So I will go for it. Let me go for this data now, students. This I will take the problem. Let me start the Google, Jupyter notebook. We'll show the problems because visualization always to explain through problem only. So once you see that, it will be more easy. So every visualization compulsory need to plan either in the data frame or in the series or ND array format. Already last class some sample plot I drawn or not? Yes, with that it is going to be so simple. Online students, did you understand that example, mom? Is it clear with that example on? So I will carry this example, students. I will plot this entire data for your practicing purpose. Anyhow, I will post this entire thing, students. So here I am going to write it. This I am going to write it. Comment for all of them. I can give multi-line comment, but I am writing something like this. So I need not to type by myself because already I was typed it all the times in my beginning levels. In the entire pandas, you've seen it, most of them typed by me. So this is my given problem. How do you plan it, ma? This is my data here. This is my data. Prepare data frame object. This is my data frame object having the content of that. You are going to enter into import pandas as PD from matplotlib import pyplot as plt as plt. First you print the data frame data. First you print the data frame data. Now I'm going to plot. Okay, na? Plot. Plot a line graph. Plot a line plot for weekdays. For weekdays, days versus week one. So days with what? Week one. Week one. Start. I forget. PLT dot plot of df of days. So whatever the spelling is there, you carry as it is. Days. So comma df of, come on, week one. Week one. So students, week one. Week one. Okay. PLT dot, come on, show. PLT dot show. So this is a graph, we are getting it by seeing this Monday. What is this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are called? Days. Very good. What they are called in x-axis? X-ticks. Brother, what these are all called? Other side, y-ticks. On which day the more temperature is available? On which day the more temperature is available? Thursday and Friday. There is a more temperature. Are you following me? Very good. Online students. Now I can give label for what? X-axis I can give. Label for what I can give? Y-axis I can give. Label for what? Total graph you can give. Understand? To give the label for x-axis, there is a function called x-label. Come on. X-label. PLT dot x-label of. What is this now? Weekdays. PLT dot, come on. PLT dot Y label of. Y label of. What is it? Temperature. PLT dot. PLT dot. Come on. Title of. What is that? Title of. What is this now? Temperature between days and week one. Like that you can give. How do you set the title for the graph? By using title of. How do you set the X label? X label of. How do you set the Y label? Y label of. When I set the X label and Y label? Yes. Online students, are you following, ma? Is it clear? Come on, plot the data. Done here. I got it. Adding elements to the line plot. Come on, what is that? To plot, we have created easily understandable third pair of elements which you have tried with different elements. But you take it. Use PLT dot, this one, adding elements to the plot. Adding elements to the plot. PLT dot title for setting the plot title. It is a graph title. PLT dot X label, PLT dot Y label for adding X and Y axis respectively. Are you following me? Next, PLT dot what? Legend. See, I'm having how many weeks? 3 weeks. 3 weeks, three different colors will come. Each color is for what week? First week or second week or third week. Are you getting me? In the one box will come blue lines for first week, red line for second week, green line for third week. That is called what box it is? Legend box. PLT dot what? Show. Just look at PLT dot plot of this one. X label days. Y label what? Temperature. Title. Line plot week one temperature. PLT dot show. Can I show you that? Yes. So easy. So coming to the next line, online students. So coming to this place, as usual, you see that you are going to get it. What is this now? Line plot week one temperatures. What is this other side? Temperature. What is the temperatures here? Y-axis. Y-axis label. What is this days? Come on. Yes. Are you getting me? Right. Now I will go to the next one. Start with week one PLT dot DF of days of week 1, PLT dot weekdays, days week 2, PLT dot week 3. X label same, Y label also same. Line plot, see the legend. Legend is going to contain what? For one thing, legend is not necessary. Yes or no? Legend is required for multiple plots are there. That means in one place, you see what is the meaning of legend I am telling ma. This is called days. Here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. up to Sunday. This is a 10, 20, 30, etc. 40. This is one green line is showing something like this. One red line. One more blue line is showing something like this. One more is called some purple line is showing something like this. In one place, it is going to be expressing what purple line meant for, what blue line meant for, what red line meant for. This is called what box? Legend box. Legend box. So that is called what that legend should contain. Week 1, week 2, week 3. PLT dot show. Are you getting me? So I'm going to draw. See, by seeing the above, we can see temperatures are highest during midweek of parameters. Let's plot 3 weeks within the same place. How to plot? So here I'm going to say this indicates plotting multiple 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 weeks temperature in same line plot in same line plot. Very simple. Same. The data frame, week days of it. Here I am having X days like this. I am going to say. So temperature is the line plot is there and everything. So see that carefully, ma. Are you seeing these lines here? The graph taggiches. I will reduce this size. I'll reduce this size. Are you seeing that? One is in which color, ma? Blue. One is in where? Orange. One more is in green. So what is that blue says? What is the orange says? What is the green says? What is this box is called? Legend box. What these are all called? What this is called? Right. And this is line plot week 1 temperature. This is called what? Week 1, week 2, week 2. And what? Week 3 temperatures. Week 3 temperatures. So I will show you this. All the week 1, week 2, week 3 temperatures. Is it clear? So can I draw only one plot or multiple plots? Multiple plots, so you can go for it. Are you following me? Right. Students, clear, ma? Is it clear for all of you students? So I think one more example. Now I want to take it, draw multiple plots, draw multiple plots, in same line plot, in same line plot. What this problem says? Show the visualization, show the visualization, show the visualization, visualization for squares, squares, visualization for natural numbers, natural numbers, natural numbers, comma, their squares, and what? Cubes. Their cubes you show. Let us take the natural numbers and their squares and cubes directly. How do you take the natural numbers of 1 to 10? 1 to 5 you take it. 1 to 5. Import numpy as what? NP. Import NP. Next I'm going to take it. A is equal to NP dot A range of 1 comma 6. 1 comma? Good. So what is coming? 1 to 5 will be coming. Natural numbers I want to take it. Their squares I want to take. Their cubes I want to take. How do you take this now? I'm going to take up squares I want to take it. Squares. First I want to plot for what? Numbers I want to plot it. How do you go for it? Natural numbers now, PLT dot plot of A. I am going to write it. Simply I am going to write A. And a plot will take even single parameter also. When you take single parameter, what is happening? You see. PLT dot what? Show. PLT dot show. Please look at that. What is happening? What is happening here? Whatever you are mentioning that natural numbers, it is taking from where? 1 to 5. 1 to 5. That is 1 to 5 is for what is taken? Y-axis it is taken. It is a 0.11 etc. It is taken something like this. It is going to be taken as 1 into 1. It is going to be a single parameter means 1 into 1 only. 2 only. 3 only. It will be taken. All of them are called self points will be taken. When I take only one parameter, what is taken? 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4 like that. Even if you write like this is called a single parameter I am passing students. Coming to the same place, here I am going to write it. Even if I write A comma A, even if I write A comma A, so it is going to be shown as what? It is also going to be 1 comma 2 point, etc. It is going to be the same graph is coming. Are you seeing that? So the specially what I am going to say, this is going to be a graph like this. It is shown. Is it okay? Single parameter you can take. More than one parameter also, A comma A you can take it. There is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, etc. Now I am going to introduce how do you calculate? Let it be. This is called a natural numbers I am showing. Squares I want to take it. How do you take squares? How do you take squares? S is equal to this. I will take it as natural numbers is equal to natural number squares is equal to n star star 2 star star 2. Already you know vector based operations NumPy will support. Are you getting it? This is called natural numbers. Natural numbers. This one is called what? Natural numbers squares. మనకు ఫిజిక్స్ లో కూడా వస్తూ ఉంటది. In physics, mathematics, you will come across these diagrams. Next, cubes. Cubes is equal to what I should say? Nn star star what? 3. This is called what? Cubes. So here I am going to get it. Natural numbers, cubes. Cubes. PLT dot A. Now what should I do next? PLT dot plot A comma NS. A comma NS. Come on, next. PLT dot PLT dot plot of A comma CS. CS. N. Okay. Okay, correct. NN. Natural numbers. NN. Okay, students. NN I will take it. As I was already written it. Earlier you see here. Here it is written PLT dot first graph, second graph like that. I'm going to take it. Here also something is legend you have taken it. Here it is going to be like this. I think you are following me. So how many graphs you are going to plot here? Three. PLT dot show. One is natural numbers. You are going to get the data like this is a graph. Definitely natural numbers will be showing the graph like that. Squares will be just raising it and cubes will be raising little higher or not. Come on. Right. So you can visualize by yourself. You can visualize by yourself. What happens? Okay. So here I'm going to write it, students. You see this now. This blue indicates what? Natural numbers. This indicates what? This indicates what? Yes. Automatically, these ticks are automatically adjusted. These ticks are there now, automatically adjusted. Are you getting me? So this legend box is not coming here. Legend box is not coming. If you want a legend box, I need to add or not? Yes. What is this now? PLT dot. Come on. Legend of. I need to write mass. How many legends you want? 3. One is called what? Natural numbers, comma, natural numbers, natural number squares, comma, natural numbers, cubes, natural numbers, cubes. I will write it. So here you are going to get it. Here you see natural numbers, natural number squares, natural number cubes. Are you following this? So students, online students, I hope you are getting me. So this legend box, if you want, you can go for adding X label or Y label and etc. or not. So this is X label you can add, Y label you can add it. I hope it is more clear. So how I am taking it in the form of what? ND array. ND array. Earlier I took it in the form of what? Data frame. Data frame. So online students, coming to the next. So these points you understood, I hope so. These points you understood, I hope so. Next I'll go to, for plot is concerned, some properties I want to show. Those line properties I want to show you. That is called extra makeup related activity points I want to say. Makeup related. So you are going, for example, some place. You are adding some extra earrings you are adding or not. You are keeping something blinking like anything. Even night time it is blinking very. So keeping rubber band backside and all those things you will do. Some extra points. And this is not a, nobody will ask an interview point of view. They will ask you problem. They will draw that diagram. That is an important extra makeup related activity I'm going to say. Come on to the point back. Here I'm going to say legend property anyhow I was shown or not. I'll post it. Now students, properties of line I am going to say. Properties of line graph I'm going to take. Please look at dead easy. Line properties of a graph. PLT dot plot. All of you students. X comma Y comma LS. LS stands for what? Line style. What is LW? Line width. Line width. These are all not a subject. It is a makeup kind of activity. When you come out from the hostel, how well you will design makeup and all those things, how you come. It depends on your patience. Correct or not? What is this? A C? C stands for what? Because already you are gold medalist in full forms. Start. X represents what? Set of values on x-axis, set of values on y-axis. LS represents what? Line style. Line style. Come on. Line style values can be any one of the following. Number one, line syntax description. Line syntax description. Here I am going to. I'm giving a spoon feeding notes for you people. What is this? I underscore represents solid line. By default, you got which line? Solid line, you got it. Solid line, you got it. Next, if you want, what is this? Colon. What is this? Dotted lines. Dot lines, you will get it. Next is called what? One underscore, one more underscore. What is this? Dashed line. What is this? Underscore, hyphen, dot. What is this? Dash dotted. Both dash dotted. Both of them will be coming. Are you following? Can I show you now this property? Right. So, or you can also say, instead of going for the symbolic notations, online students, line style is equal to what? Solid. You can write solid word. You can write what? Dotted. You can write what? Dashed. You can write what? I can write, if I write none, by default, what it will take? That's all. What is this LW? Line width. Line width represents what? 10 pixels. Line thickness. Thickness. And nobody will bother about the thickness. Small line or this much big line or nobody will bother about it. These are all, that's why I said makeup kind of activity. But I want to. C represents what? How many colors are there? Rainbow colors, how many? 7. From the 7 colors only, multiple colors can be mixed. If you go to any Asian paints or something, they'll have one formula sheet is there. Color chart is there. In that color mixing formula is there. Based on that only they will add, in every white color, they will add some small content that will become that particular color. Are you following me now? Yes. Come to the point back. Line color, RGY, hot pink and etc. is going to be. So I will show you this line properties to you. Let me go to, this is called one problem I solved it. Let me go to the next example. Next, one more notebook I will take it. Let me give you this one line plot examples. I'm going to take it. So I'm going to take a new, I'm going to take this part, I'm going to take here. What properties? Line properties. Line properties I'm going to show you. So take care, mom. I will take some small graph. Can I? Hmm. From or you can say import matplotlib import matplotlib dot pyplot plot as what? PLT. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. PLT dot what? So I will write it. Before that, I will take x is equal to np dot array of, I'm going to write it 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Some values I'm taking. Y is equal to np dot, of course, I will import that also. Import numpy as np. So there I will take it np dot array of, I'm going to take it 2 comma 1 comma 4 comma 3 comma 5. This is called one more type of things. I will go forward plt dot come on, plot of x comma y. Plt dot come on, x label of what? X axis. For example. Next I will take it plt dot what? Y axis. Some name. plt dot title of I'm going to write it line graph. Line graph example. Line graph examples. This is line graph is also known as XY graph. They can call. You can call it as XY graph. PLT dot what ma? Show. PLT dot show. So by default, you will be getting the color. You will be getting the this line graph. Are you seeing this line graph now? Come on, one and two. This is a one and two. Are you seeing that? So this is in our mathematics in olden days, we used to take a graph paper and we used to put a cross marks like this or not. These are called what? Markers. What they are called? Markers. I will show you marker properties also. These are all called painting kind of creativity, makeup kind of creativity. Shall I apply now? Right, online students. I think it is you are following me. So let us apply. Come on, go to which one? Plot. In the plot, I am going to write what ma? LS. Extra parameters. LS, LW, and then what? C. What is the LS here? The solid line. Solid line. Colon, I will write it. I will show you various properties. So I will write it. What is this now? Like this. I wrote it. Even you will get the same example or not? Same example you will get it. I think error will come or what? So I think hyphen, hyphen. So this is hyphen, not underscore. It is showing directly. Are you seeing that? So go to the place, not underscore. It is called hyphen. Okay. Which is called a solid only. Same answer will be coming or not. Next, quickly. I will go to, you can also write it as, what is that? Colon. Colon, I can write it. Online students, I hope you are following me. What is this now? Dotted. Are you getting or not? So if I explain in English, you cannot understand. If I said dotted, what is that dotted? Dash dotted, dash dot dash. What is that? That's why I'm showing that and I'm executing. So X label, X axis, Y axis, okay. So here X label, this is called a Y label. Y label, okay, ma. So admin, is this. Y axis and then what? X axis and then what? Line graph. Go to next property is what? Here also you can write the next property is called what? You can execute like that. One more is what property? So two hyphens. Two hyphens are two hyphens. So you see that you are going to get what? What is this? What is this? Dashed. One hyphen and dot. What is this? Dashed dotted lines. Both of them will be coming. So I'll carry this. I'm showing you this entire thing. So one hyphen, one dot. Both of them will be coming in the same property. Dashed dot. Getting it. So if you want, you can write it. This type of properties also, student. Dotted is there, dashed is there. Instead of line style, you can pass this, or you can write what? Dotted also you can write. Can I write dotted there? Yes, you can write dotted. So I'll take this, and I'll mention here. So I'll mention dotted. That also will give you the dotted only, either symbol or word. Hmm. Right. If I write a none, which one will be taken? Beginning only. If I did not write ls, by default taken as what? Very good. Now I'm going to take it. If I don't write ls, it will be taken as solid. So solid, I can write it. I'm writing it. It is taken as a solid only. Okay, now? Right. Good. Now I'm going to take it. Even if I don't write also, it will be taken by default what only? Solid is the default value. Solid is only the default value. Okay, very good. Next is called what? LW. LW. What is the LW? Line width. In terms of what? Pixels. Pixels. I am going to represent pixels. So I'm going to take it, students, to the point of it. LS. It is going to be called what? Come on. Solid only. It is solid only. No problem. Next is called LW is equal to 12. Line width. These are all extra makeup kit, that's all. So you see that line width. Is it necessary? Yeah? Small line is enough. So this is all waste of my time. So if I go to 6, if I go to my 6, you can reduce it. Are you getting it? If I go to that next is called what, some 3, you can go to 3 also. It is little bit reduced it. Are you following? This is called what? LW. What are the parameters? PLT dot plot of x comma y comma ls comma LW. Like all our functions, identity function, m comma, n comma, k comma, d type comma. So many parameters are there that are very important. These are all extra parameters. No need to remember here. Just remember PLT dot x comma y. Extra parameters not necessary. And your duty is not to make attractive visualization. Those people are different. Those people are different. As on today, programmer choice is no need to write this kind of thing. You may be a good programmer, but you may not be a good presentation programmer. You are a good programmer in the sense you design the logic well, but you are very poor in coloring. Correct or not? So you are a programmer, not a beautician. So take care about that. Next, go to what is the next color. Color, I want to go for it. Color, I will go to that. Next, I will add the color to it. Come on, what is this now? LS. This is called a solid. Let it be solid. Next, I will go to what? LW is equal to some 3, comma. C is equal to what? C is equal to what, Like this it is written. Like this it is written. Is it coming in the hot pink or not? Whatever color you just write it. So whatever the color you want, you can write it. So if you want something like orange, something like orange. So that color should be certified, student. That colors must be there. Are you following me? These are comes under which properties? Line properties. Come on, start. Line properties. What are the line properties? LS, LW, C. These are called which properties? Line properties. When you are drawing a line plot, if you want a line to be attractive or you want to make some extra presentation, you can go for line properties. What are the line properties? LS, LW, C. What are the LS line styles? Solid, dotted, dashed, dashed dot, dashed dot. Symbolic notation and all those things. And nobody will ask you what is the symbol for it, nobody will ask. Because they are not that much sadistic nature will be there in Matplotlib. Because they know that visualization always require some effects required. By seeing the documentation only, they can prepare it. Is it clear? But a data frame creation and all those things, you need to do it. Once the problem is given, how to convert the problem into this is very important. Can I move to the further? Right. Now I'm going to talk about marker properties. Can I go to marker properties? Yes. Look at here. Is it one marking is there or not? This is called one mark or not? These are called marking properties. So this marking properties, you want cross, you want circular, you want a diamond, you want hexagon, you want triangular, you want circular, you want single dot, like that. And moreover, this is circle, right? Circle. For example, circle outline color is what? అందుకనే నేను మీకు డయాగ్రామ్ చూపిస్తే అర్థమవుతుంది. Circle inside what is this? Red. Circle face color is what? Come on. So there are two things are there. One is called what? MEC, MFC ani. MEC, MFC. Marker edge color. Spell out. MFC. Marker face color. Marker face color, marker edge color. Like that. MEC, MFC, MS. MS is also there. MS. What is the MS? Marker size. This cross mark is there na. You want big marker or small marker? That is also going to contain like this. There is a MC is also there. Marker color. Marking color also. Are you following me? So that properties I am going to show you. What are that properties? Marker line properties. Line plot, marker properties. Marker concept in. Come on. PLT dot plot of x comma y. Marker MEC, MFC, MS. What is x? Values on x-axis, values on y-axis, marker. That is nothing but the intersection point of x-axis and y-axis. Marker edge color, marker inside the edge, face color, MS, marker size. X represents, Y represents this one. MEC, marker edge color, represents any one of the color. MFC, marker face color. If you look at that, you will come to know. MS, marker size in pixels again. ఇక్కడ నేను చాలా డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఇచ్చాను. మార్కర్ టైప్స్, మార్కర్ నేమ్, డిస్క్రిప్షన్, మార్కర్ నేమ్, డిస్క్రిప్షన్. దిస్ represents what? This represents what? Star. This represents what? Point. This represents what? Pixel. Cross represents as it is. Plus represents plus symbol. Plus represents what? Plus symbol with filled. S represents square. D represents diamond. Small d represents a diamond with thin. P represents what? Pentagon. H represents what? Hexagon. Small h represents hexagon only. V represents what? Triangle. Bitwise exclusive OR operator represents what? Triangle up. This left side less than operator, triangle left, triangle right, 1, 2, 3, etc. These are all called what? What these are all called? Marker description. Shall I? What is this property called? Marker properties. Marker properties. Online students, are you following? Is it clear? And it is not a subject. Is it a subject? What are the properties? PLT dot plot of x comma y comma LS LW C marker MEC MFC MS. These many properties are there. But all these properties mandatory to specify. What is that? Optional. I may write, but compulsory you need to know x comma y. What is our business logic? Other kind of things are your making your graph to be attractive. Right. Now I'll go to one more things I will show you more. So go to this place now. Here I'm going to take up, here I'm going to take it. Marker properties, marker properties, marker properties in line graph. Okay. Marker properties in line graph, I will take it. Okay, students. There I'm going to take it. I will carry my previous problem once. This problem I will carry. This problem I will carry. Here I'm going to write it. This is the one. Here I'm going to write it. Something like blue, blue. So I'm taking something like blue. So this is called blue. Okay. Now I will apply what here? Marker properties. Come on, apply. Marker properties. There is no marking right now. Come on, start with. This parts is there, na? Come on, comma. Marker is equal to, marker is equal to O. I will write. So see that what is happening because of that. What is happening? Are you getting or not? This is called a marking. Is it marking with the edges or not? Yes. Now I will go to marker color I want to do. Marker color I want to do. So here I will do it. Marker size పెంచుదాం కొద్దిగా. So that you can see. So come on, what is this? MS. MS is equal to what? Some 10. These are all called, see how simple it is. First two are called positional parameters. Rest of them are what? Keyword arguments. Keyword arguments. See that. Is it containing big colors or not? Yes. So next I'm going to take up. Next I'm going to take up this kind of things now. This kind of thing I'm going to take it. Let us move to this further place. Here I'm going to write it. X-axis, Y-axis, the values are coming. Now I'm going to write it. Marker color. I'm going to write it. Color is equal to yellow. Color is equal to yellow. So I'm going to write it. Try to follow what is happening, you see. Error will be coming up. So see that what is happening here. Get both aliases for which are aliases for one thing. So see if I write it, blue is there, and I hope so. 1 minute, you see. Coming to this place, here I will go to MFC and MS. Yes. MEC as well as? Yes. Coming to this place, here I am going to take it. MFC. MFC. So what is the MFC here? Come on. Face color. Face color. Still edge color is what? Blue. Okay. Add it. MEC, you add it. MEC. MEC. I'm going to take it MEC. MEC is equal to what? Red. Red. So I will take it as MEC red. Are you seeing MEC red there? MEC red there. Are you getting it? Right. But by seeing that colors, don't feel happy for it. Nothing is there. Given problem taking and drawing the graph, that is an important. Converting the problem into ND array, series object, and next is what? Data frame object. That is an important. That is an important. Are you following me? Yes. Go to the next term. What is this now? MS. Already used it. MFC already used. MEC already used. Now I will go to diamond create diamond D, capital D. So go to this place. I will take this entire thing. Go to this place. What is this now? Where I need to write? Marker is equal to, here I will write it 15 equal now. So 15. So I'll go to what is coming? Diamond. Diamond. By seeing the color, don't try to attract. Okay. Colors are very dangerous. So are you getting it? Right. Easy or difficult? Easy. So let us go to the next step. Online students. What are the marker properties? Marker. There is a marker name. MEC, marker edge color. MFC, marker face color, MFC marker face color, MS marker size. Easy, right? Online students, huh? User Naresh IT color. Okay, అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోకండి. యూ రిమెంబర్ సబ్జెక్ట్. నరేష్ ఐటీ కలర్ ఏంటి, కేవీఆర్ సార్ కలర్ ఏంటి, ఇదా మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఈజ్ ఇట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ టు రిమెంబర్ దిస్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్? So Guido van Rossum color is what, like that? There is no necessary to go for it. So let us go for further. Is it clear? After going to home, you try to play with all, take up this, everything. Try to write, try to do example on it. Are you following me? Yes. Next, be careful, mom. Go to one more kind of thing I want to bring to you. Setting, I want to go for keeping font. I want to go for it, students. Font. I want to go for setting the properties, font properties to this now. Font. X-axis na. X-axis is displaying black in color, right? Y-axis displaying in which color? Black in color. Ikkada. X-axis displaying in which color? Black. Y-axis is also called what? Right. Next also called what? Line graph. Are you following this? Right. These things I want to increase the x-axis font, y-axis font, colors. These are all coloring kind of things only. Actually, I want to, because it's there in our things, I'm going to cover that. So go to properties. So I want to take font color, font name, font size. Three things. Font name, font size, dictionary format I will take it. Dictionary format, student. I will go to setting font properties to title labels. Plots in Matplotlib are used to represent visualization of given data. Visualization of given data. Try to see these plots require needs for labels x-axis, y-axis, as well as the title of the plot. Every plot has x-axis, y-axis. These axis represents the values of the data point against to each other. Adding the font to the plot. Easy. Now go to the point of it. Revant, what is the cost of your watch? Okay. So cost of my watch. He is observing my watch also. He is observing my watch also. That's why he is asking. Huh? So, huh? Sorry, it is looking good, sir. Okay. Okay, students. So come to the point back. Okay, my dear. Tomorrow onwards, I will remove my watch. I will remove my watch. Okay, now free hand now. Something like. Okay, just joking. I'm joking. Right. Okay. So at least tell brand we will only set. See what is there in that one. So do you think that this is called fast track watch? You will expect very hi-fi. Sir will take very hi-fi watch or something. We don't spend much time on these gadgets. Don't spend on this mobile purchasing. Why to waste your money? Why to waste your money on mobiles and watches? Actually, I don't like to watch this watch. Actually, I'm wearing on some person request. Actually, wear watch always. Somebody said to me very long back. I'm wearing that. That's why. Otherwise, I need not wear. So who is that person? I don't tell you. Secret. Okay. So coming to that. So okay. So let us start. Start off. So you are making me to divert it. So you become so much close to me. You become very so much close. You are becoming senior people. Come. Actually, Come to the point. Adding font to the plot. Students, come on to the point. So because if you ask that, again I have to go to my intermediate days. I will remember my intermediate days. So don't make sound, okay? In Matplotlib, we use font dict parameter. What is the function name? Font dict parameter. Why font dict coming? Font name, font size, font color. Font name, font size, font color is called what? Key comma value pair. That's why what is the parameter name? Font dict. Of what? Pyplot.x label. Normally we are saying the name of the label. Extra what parameter is coming? Font dict. Y label also same thing. Title function also same thing. Today, what is the first parameter in font dict? Family. Family is nothing but what? Font name. Next, color. What is that? Color of the font. Size. Any positive integer value. Can I show you that? Come on. Syntax. Dict OBJ is equal to family. First parameter. Font name. Color is equal to what? Color name. Size is equal to what? Font size. Come on. Font 1 is equal to what? Family. What is the font name? Serif. Times New Roman. Font San. That like that. Color is equal to what? Blue. Size is equal to what? 20. Font 2 is equal to what? Family. Serif. Color is equal to what? Darked. Something like. Size is equal to what? 15. Hmm. Come on here. Dot. Sports watch data. Font dict is equal to average pulse is equal to something I am using here. Can I carry this? Here I am going to take it. In my example, I will go to this area. This example I will carry, students. Here I will carry this area. In this place, you please observe it. Here I am applying it. Go to this before X label and Y label. This both of them you come to this area. After plotting it, add some font to this. Here I am writing it. Here I will say font 2 is another dictionary. Another dictionary. Family is equal to color is equal to size is equal to. Color is equal to size is equal to. This is the one. If you want x-axis, what I mentioned here in my example, sports watch, this is called a title for that. Title. What is the title one? I am going to take it here. Title is there na, comma. What is the parameter I said? Font dict is equal to what? Font 1. Font 1. Font 1 indicates what? This one. Next is called what? Comma. What is the next? Font dict is equal to 1. Font dict. Font dict is equal to font 2. Font 2. Font 2. Similarly, I will go for what? This also. X-axis, Y-axis, I want to set the same font. Title, I want to set little bigger one. Are you seeing that little bigger one here? Yes. Try to see that now. So, extra bracket. So, here we are going to get line graph example. Are you seeing? Now, see this now, X-axis. And this is called what? Y-axis. Are you following this? So, if you go to, this is called something like this. You say something like red. So you can go to this place also, y-axis and then x-axis. This is called what? Font properties. For which axis? X-axis, y-axis, title. Online students, are you following me? Are you following me? Hmm? So, Revant, my dear student, always do that. Always do that. Okay, fine. So, see, like you, సో బికాజ్ నాకు చాలా చెప్పాలని ఉంది కానీ ఐ కెనాట్ సే బికాజ్ ఐ విల్ రిమెంబర్ దట్ ఐఎమ్ ఏ టీచర్ ఇమీడియట్లీ సో సో దీస్ డేస్ వాట్ యు ఆర్ ఇన్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ వాట్ వీ వర్ ఎట్ ద స్టూడెంట్ టైమ్ కంప్లీట్లీ డిఫరెంట్ వెన్ వీ వర్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ వీ ఆర్ కంప్లీట్లీ డిఫరెంట్ when you are the students you are completely different that you are social media affecting students. When we were the students there is no social media. One example, you take your engineering college when you went. when we were in engineering, up to fourth year, up to third year, we never speak to one girl also. They don't speak to us, we don't speak to them. Same, here also same. Not like that. You see in Amirpet how they are generally. Then 3 days back, I've seen it. One incident I see, one incident I will tell. Of course, nothing wrong, nothing wrong. But I'm saying that one student, two students are going, one boy and girl, 3, 4 days back going. He's a boy and she's a girl. She's a girl. Nothing wrong. But I feel that is it that much required on it? And she's the girl. She's going just nothing is there in her hand. He is having what in the hand. One handbag is there. This is a handbag of her only, not a college bag. Handbag. Girl's handbag is different. That too very big handbag or no small handbag. And in another hand, in this place, one lace packet is there. Lace packet. Bingo. I've seen that. Bingo. Lace packet. Bingo. Bingo. And this girl, both of them are parallelly walking. Parallelly walking. He is wearing that handbag in the one hand, keeping like that. Even one hand, bingo lace packet is there. Another place that is some sort of small bottle is also there. That three items in two hands she is keeping. And what she is doing? She is talking and she is taking one what do you call lace, eating. After that, is keeping the packet still like this in offline online students also keeping the packet like that. She will take one slice from that chips packet and she will eat and she will take that thumbs up, one sip and giving that bottle. Both of them giving the bottle to him. Lace packet, you only need to carry. Handbag carrying, lace packet carrying, thumbs up bottle is carrying. Why that person is there, I don't know. What is the use of that person, I don't know. What is the use of that? Will you do like that? Boys, will you do? I think you have done sometime. Have you done any time? So that is what is now I felt disappointed. So why this guy is doing servantism? I felt that is a servantism. It's completely servantism that is. So after I went to home 4 5 days back, I said to my wife also, it is what I have seen it. my, my wife said, why you have seen that? She said. I said bingo lace packet also. Why you are why that is why you see that let him she said. So like that it is going on. I have seen a lot of things like that. So like that. Why to do that servantism, students? Learn Python well. You not need not to have that problems. Am I correct or not? So once you don't have the proper career, these problems will arise. Correct or not? I don't know what is the understanding between them. I don't know. So later days, very much problem that guy will face. So problems, let it be. So it is mostly that will happen in Amirpet only, sir. Okay, Pawan. Okay. So hmm, hmm, like that. So hmm, okay, yes, sir. Python is our hairstyle. Correct. Revant, it's correct. So Rutuja. So okay, mom. So time waste, those are doing, sir. Okay. Boys are very innocent, sir. Narsimha. Okay. All are innocent only. In front of me, all are innocent only. When I go out, that will come out. Of course, I can give a good branding for my students. There is no doubt in that. Both boys and girls are very decent in my class. There is no doubt in that. I say very proud of it. I say very proud of it. Even they looked at me, even in samosa place, they will not eat. They will come at least to the class without eating. They stop it. If they don't see me, they will eat. They will eat jalebi, pakodi, like that. They will eat. Samosa also, combination also they will eat. All combinations also they will eat. Right. No problem. I said na slogan is what? Read well, eat well, sleep well. Because your age require that kind of thing. Shall I move forward? Right. So coming to the point back, ma. So this is called which properties? Properties. Now you see one example also given. These are all called what? These are all called what, some data, some more values are there. Font family. This is called sports watch data, average pulse, calories burn. Some example is given here. I'll try to show you that. Go to this place. Here I'm going to take up another example. Matplotlib, font family, title, plotting, etc. So here sports watch data, that is average pulse, and it is going to be seeing calories burn. Are you following this? So what did you understand here? Quickly say to me now. This is comes under and one more thing, last and final I want to show. One more thing I want to show you, ma. One more thing. Small moment, please. Here I'm going to take it. Title is there now. Sports data. LOC is equal to what? Left. By default, it was shown where? Center. Now I can show you what side also. Left side also it is showing. Are you seeing the left side? Right. What is the parameter there? LOC. So these are all LOC, center, color. These are all called optional. What is the main important? Coding. So you only will come to know what is the most important. Okay. Now? So coming to that, you are understanding about what properties? Marker properties, line properties. That is called what? Line properties. Next is marker properties and font properties. You understood. Go to one more example, student. Go to one more example here. Line plot. So problem I am going to open it. Try to follow. Start. The table shows the information on how much sleep Rahul got each night of the week. Draw the line graph based on the given information. Day, sleep. Monday, how many hours? 7 hours. Tuesday, 6 hours. Wednesday, 5 hours. Thursday, like that, we are going to have it. Are you following me now? So this can be done in how many ways? Three ways. One you can take in the form of what? Data frame. Dictionary you can take it. Already you have seen day is equal to what? Like this. Dictionary is equal to, come on, day, day, colon, what is this? Monday, Tuesday, etc. You can take it. Comma, come on, mom. Sleep. Sleep is also called what? One key. There I will write it. 7, 6, etc. Are you following me? This is another one. Is it clear? Right. Now I will go for what? Converting into what? Data frame. Instead of doing that, you can also do with what, ma? CSV file also you can take. Can I take CSV file? You can take CSV file also. But how you need to take that is an important. How you need to take that is an important. Look at that. Go to the CSV file. I will go to the CSV files quickly. I'll go to normal text. Going to this place. Day, comma, day, comma, Monday, comma, Monday, comma. Next Tuesday, comma, Tuesday, comma, Wednesday, comma. This is Wednesday, comma. Okay. So, okay. Next, I will take it as what? Thursday, comma. Online students, follow me, ma. So here I will go to 9. Next is called Saturday, comma. 9, comma. Next is called Sunday, comma. Sunday, comma. So no spaces to be given, ma. Check it. No spaces to be given. I will save this data. Who's this? E colon. I will take it as what NumPy 11m. Under that I will take it. Under that I will take it. Who's this? Rahul. Rahul sleep. dot what? CSV. Rahul sleep dot CSV. Okay, done. When you go to this place, here I am going to take it 11 a.m. Go to this place, somewhere else. There is in this place Rahul sleep. It's a CSV file or not? This is my data available. So how do you get that now? Draw the line plot. Can I start here? Go to that. Here I will take my problem. Already there is a problem here. So draw the plot for it. So I will go to the visualization here. See, mom, start here. Come on. Import, find us as PD, import matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. Okay. Come on. DF is equal to PD dot read underscore CSV, read underscore CSV. I need to pass the absolute path or not? What is my absolute path, mom? I will take this entire thing. So I will take up in this place. I say here, what is this? Rahul sleep dot CSV. CSV. Need to take care about, yes. Test చేసుకోండి ఒకసారి. Test. Is it coming or not? Yes. How do you get the days, ma? I forget. Days. Days off. Is it days will come or not? Day na days are. Day. Okay. Day. So days will come. Okay. Next what I will get it? Sleep. Sleep. Sleep also will come. Okay. Now print of what here? DF. Okay. This is the data coming. After that, now plot a graph. Right? Yes. Come on, I forget. Don't take much time. Start all of you. So state print of. That is data is over. Come on. PLT dot plot of DF of day. Day. Okay. DF of what? Day. Come on. DF of what? Sleep. DF of what? Sleep. Okay. Good. Come on. That's all. If you want LS, LW, marker, MC, MEC, MFC, if you want, you enjoy that. So PLT dot what? Show. PLT dot show. So this is going to be showing like this. Wednesday is not sleeping properly because a lot of homework is there or YouTube is watching. So next, most of the time he is sleeping on Friday, Saturday. So like this type of graph will make you to understand what is the significance of this. Are you following me? Right. So if you want, you can save this graph also. PLT dot save figure. There is one. If you give that path of it, that graph will be saved on some PNG file. I'll tell you that that is different one. Is it clear? Right. Now next problem, open this and see how I did that by using what? Right. So what I took it, day separately I took it. Day separately means it is a series or not. Sleep separately I took it. Is it a series or not? Two series values I am taking. Dead easy. Okay, next ఇంకొకటి చూడండి. The table, online students, did you understand that graph, ma? Did you understand this graph? Ahmad Nadim, I will show you, ma. I will show you. Don't worry about it. I'm having histogram is there now. Scatter plot is there. I will explain all those things. Right. Now let us go to ఇంకొకటి చూడండి. Start. The table represents Akshay's weight in kilogram for 5 months. Akshay is one student whose weight in 5 months. Draw a line graph for the information provided. Month Akshay weight in kilograms. Month January 48, February 53, March 60, April 68, May 72. Because of exams, so everything is there. That's why let's wait. Later eating and sleeping only. That's why like this. Can you draw the graph? So I can take it as what? CSV file if you want, you can go for ND array also. Create one ND array with what? Months. create another ND array with what? Weights. So you can go for doing this. Can you do it? Yes. So simple for you to do it. So, so simple for you to do it. I hope students, it is more clear for you about that kind of thing. Line plot, I think in the notes also, that is already shown. Line plot questions I shown you already, I hope so. This is one thing. Okay, this is already shown to you. Okay. So these are the examples. Next, what you do is for more practice, you take your sixth, seventh class, eighth class books are there. Byju's will be there or not? In that line graph examples, you type it. Ninth class line graph examples, you type it in the Google. You'll get tables. You take it and then implement in Python. How do you do? Either in ND array, CSV file, data frame. You can get it. Will you do that? So I will post this. This is called what? Line plot. Very easy. Are you following? So tomorrow I will go for what? Bar plot. It's an important. Bar plot is little typical. That too, stacked bar graph, horizontal bar graph, four varieties of bar graphs I will tell you tomorrow. Don't miss it. Okay, now? Will we stop? Right. So don't miss tomorrow, students. Important class. Thank you. Carry on. All the best. Online students, if you have any doubts, you hold on. I'll post all these examples. You try to practice it. Online students, um, SK. Yes, my batch is there. Full stack Python is going to start on 2nd January. 2nd January it is going to start. SK. It's true. What you said is true. Rutuja. For 6 p.m. batch students, please send all question bank to us. Yes, ma. Rutuja, I will send you, ma. I'll send you today evening. Okay, na? By today evening or tomorrow by this time, I will send you. Okay, na? So because the last 2 days I'm having some medical emergency with my wife, that's why I did not do that. I'll send you that definitely. Jitendra, can we make any column as indices in data frame? You can use it. See, any column as indices in data frame. What is the requirement, Jitendra? What is the requirement there? Requirement is important, no? Without requirement, we cannot do it, right? Django, Django, Django. All of them Django, Django, Django. My dear students, is it that much difficult? Huh? Django classes, Django classes. All of them Django only. My dear student, when I start Django, again you will ask something else. Good afternoon, sir. You have mentioned start of the NumPy session. There is something surprise in New Year. Please reveal it. What is that surprise? Okay. So, yes, sir. Other class is difficult. Okay. So, my dear students, Django class, Django class, Django class. They are not explaining properly, sir. Okay, Krishna. So, they need to explain very well. Jitendra, if we go DF of Monday, will give you Monday related values will come. Monday is not a column, na? Monday is a value over there. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are called values of day. You need to take values of day. Okay, now you can use df dot loc of Monday. Df dot loc of Monday. They are not explaining properly. Sir, even 30% of your index also. 30% only. Symbiosis. So which module is for creating QR code? I was explained in my classes generally. QR code is a module name. QR code is a module name. Mayank, if it is anything surprise, I will tell you, my dear student. Gaurav, Django. All of them Django only. Smile, please. Okay. Smile, please, your name. Please reveal New Year good news, sir. Okay. Related to Django, na? Okay. So, all Python students are waiting for your Django class, my dear students. DSA course, okay. All of them are asking all courses from me only, my dear students. So, Django. Okay, students. Still, wait, tomorrow is there. Day after tomorrow is also there. SK. Sir, please take Django. It start same time 11 a.m. Okay. Start Django. My dear students. We will think of, ma. We'll think of. Thank you. All the best. Now I will upload these notes for you people. All the best.